retina layers. So the question here is, where is the ganglion layer located? So what is adjacent to it? What are the layers next to it? Then outer plexiform layer. So what are the layers which is inside, towards the inside and outside? Next is rods and cones. So what are the layers next to the rods and cones? So we'll find out these answers in this video. So firstly, we are going to see the layers of retina. And these layers we are going to see in case from inner to the outer. So the innermost, we have the internal limiting membrane. This is the innermost. Next comes the nerve fiber layer. Then it is the ganglion cell layer, and after this it is the inner plexiform layer. After the inner plexiform, it is the inner nuclear layer. So the inner plexiform, inner nuclear, and after this it is the same, that is the outer plexiform and the outer nuclear layer. So this is how it goes. And after the outer nuclear layer, what is present? It is the external limiting membrane. And after the external limiting membrane, it is the presence of the rods as well as cones. Beyond the rods and cones is the presence of the retinal pigment epithelium. So the questions we asked. So where is the ganglion layer present? So we have the ganglion layer, and towards the inner side there is the nerve fiber layer, and towards the outside there was the inner plexiform layer. Then we asked, where is the outer plexiform layer? So in case of the outer plexiform layer, towards the inner side there is the inner nuclear layer, and towards the outside there is a outer nuclear layer. So the outer plexiform is nothing but it is sandwiched between the inner nuclear layer and the outer nuclear layer. Next, we look at the rods and cones. So the rods and cones are lined between the external limiting membrane on the inside to the retinal pigment epithelium. Retinal pigment epithelium on the outside.